Today I'm going to be making these 3 pens using pen blanks I got from Toni Ransfield. I hope you stick around. Hi, it's Todd with TLF Works. Today I'm going to be making 3 pens using pen blanks that I received from Toni Ransfield. She runs a website called claypenblanks.com. I'll put the address right up here. Toni is a true artist. Her polymer clay pen blanks are the best in the world. And today I'm lucky enough to have 3 of them in my possession. So I ordered these 3 pen blanks on Cyber Monday, where she was running an unbelievable special where you buy 1 pen blank and you get 2 pen blanks free. My sister-in-law Martha has been very involved with the Monarch Butterfly initiative, which is an initiative through quite a few of the central states, Texas being one of them, that its goal is to increase the population of monarch butterflies, specifically as the monarch butterflies migrate from the north to the south. As like a thank you for that, or a recognition for that to Martha, I ordered the pen blank from Toni that has monarch butterflies on it. So when you're working with polymer pen blanks, the important thing to understand is that when they make these pen blanks, they're made with very thin slivers of clay that create the patterns on the blank. And so what you don't want to do is you don't want to put one of these on your lathe and use any turning tools and start to turn this thing down to some size. You don't want to be sanding on it or anything like that, because it's a very thin layer and you would just sand off all the good stuff immediately. Polymer clay is very easy to finish. The pen blanks are made to fit the tube. All that's required is once you receive the blank, place it on the lathe with your bushings, apply CA, and then finish the CA the way you normally would. Be careful, you don't want to sand through the CA. If you do, stop immediately, apply more CA, and restart your finishing process. These pen blanks may be just slightly longer than the brass tube. So here's what you do. After you apply the CA finish, after you take it off the lathe and you've done all your polishing and everything, you're going to take a piece of like 1000 grit sandpaper or something. You're going to hold this in your hand and you're going to take that edge off down basically to the brass tube. So later when we apply the pen press to these things and we press the fittings into this, you're not going to be splitting or cracking or damaging any of the polymer clay that's on those edges. So now that we're 2 minutes and 35 seconds into this, let's start our turning. So I just finished making my 3 pens, and there's a couple of things I learned. First thing is, when you get pen blanks from Toni, they're top notch. The second thing I learned, I don't know if I learned, but I decided while I was putting the CA finish on the pens, you'll notice that when you get one of these blanks, there's texture in there from all the layers of the clay. And at first I thought that I would put CA on it and build up enough layers and sand and build up layers that I would get it totally smooth. Get rid of that texture and have a smooth finish. And I decided not to do that. I decided not to go with the smooth finish. I left a little bit of that texture in there, and I'm happy that I did. I put about 25 coats of CA on each of these pens. So, very happy. This one's gonna be my Christmas gift for my sister-in-law, Martha. I think it's gorgeous. Couldn't be happier with it. Couldn't be happier with the service I got from Toni at claypenblanks.com. Great stuff. Thank you, Toni. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll subscribe. I hope you'll hit that like button. I really appreciate you watching my videos. I appreciate you watching through the end. And I really enjoy reading comments, and it helps me a lot if you hit that like button. So I'll throw up some pictures at the end. Thank you again. See you next time.